Go later on to this notebook, try it, touch it, and then tell me wow. Okay, what do we have over here?
So we have a Windows 7 Intel Concept Ultrabook, and with a very media-rich enabled touch application. It's very simple, very easy. You can touch it, navigate it. We can open up a magazine, easily just flip the pages. We can zoom in if you want to check out the car. Easy navigation. Go down here, we can go to a different page.
So we can see some of the applications are much easier done by scrolling the screen, zooming, and all this kind of activity, closing windows, opening windows. Some of the application definitely, like writing email.
It doesn't replace it. I still utilize the keyboard, I still utilize the trackpad, but now I've gone into all three usages. I'm using the touch. It's just so natural, so easy. It's very intuitive. You want to give it a try?
Yeah, definitely. It looks beautiful, and if I need to read it. But I'm distracted all the time. What the heck is all this piercing?
Oh, well, I can help you find a place down the street to get one if you'd like.
Thank you. This would go very good with my head.
It would match very well.
Okay, but this is the touch screen. What do we have over here? Because I believe this is something that we stretch it another level, right?
Sure. So this again is the same Intel Concept Ultrabook. This one actually is running Windows 8, and it also has sensors. Everyone's used to sensors.
You must let me know, although I didn't practice it.
Okay.
So
I'll let you pick it up and do it.
So we've got a sensor that we added to the Ultrabook. So first of all, when you need to speak a location, it will not ask you where you are and you need to put your address, it will be done automatically. But more than that, if I take it, and I believe this Google has, I can navigate it and use all the great compute power that you've got in i5 and iCore, and I'm not sure that many other things will be able to deliver such an application, and at the same time, enjoy both worlds. So we can see over here, and again, if you'll be able to try it later on, how the sensors are working with these Ultrabooks. And I can see already people asking cynical, yes, but it's a clamshell. So let me promise you two things. First of all, it's very comfortable to do it with a clamshell. It's beautiful. But some of the systems are going to be clamshells like this. It's an base. But if you'd like to do it, you'll have it as a tablet. Thank you guys. By the way, this section, did you hear what they just said? But what you can see over here is the way that you'll see many of those. We call it sliders or convertibles. We just open it, we took it, and then we can take the compute power that we've got in a core processor and use all the greatness that we can do on a PC. But if you want to do it as a tablet, you can have your tablet with you, and then you can have the touch that you have seen, you can have the sensors, although my personal belief is that people will use touchscreen with their Ultrabook, even in a clamshell, and people will use the sensors, and after a few weeks that you use it, you'll be surprised that you will not be able to do anything without it. So what you see over here is the Ultrabooks, and we've got it on Microsoft, Windows 8, that you all have seen the tiles, and it will run even better. So the first example was an Ultrabook with Windows 7, and once we're working with Microsoft or Windows 8, we'll be able to get even better experience and having the tile experience with the rest of the application.